What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over XRP on our way to $2. We're sitting on $1.66. We're up 13% on the day. Market cap 94.81 billion. 24-hour volume 9.8 billion. Oh, kitty cats meowing. Achilles. All right, let's hop into the chart. So we have a wave 1, wave 2, explosive, impulsive, parabolic wave 3. Pull back in the wave 4, now we're pushing up in the wave 5. So the target is the 61.8, which is currently sitting at $2.02. Any break above the 3 can complete the 5, but that's what we're looking at right now for XRP. We've already completely smashed through the target of the ascending triangle, which is 142. And we're just going completely parabolic. Obviously, XRP beat the case. Gary Gensler is gone. So it's all green lights for the bull run of bull runs for XRP. I think easily we'll hit $5 minimum. I do think we could go in between $10 to $20. I do think XRP will be one of the strongest movers of the large caps, just due to the fact that nothing's holding it back right now. And obviously it is one of the strongest projects in all of crypto. So very lucky to have a bag. I'm in the 40-cent range, which is way down here. Yeah, I'm in way down here. So pretty much got in very, very close to the bottom. So I'm very happy about that. So your next resistance in between about $1.66, the current price, and all the way up at $2, as you can see right here. And then if we blast through that, basically you're going to be on your way back to previous all-time highs. Very exciting times for XRP. We are currently in trades for Solana, Pole, ETH, and Turbo. Pole is about to hit our TP. ETH is looking good, Solana as well, and we'll see what happens with our Turbo trade. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. Will take you literally 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. Up to 5,500 euros in bonuses. Takes you 30 seconds. Send me an email after you sign up, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, as well. Bruh, why is it lagging? As well as my crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. And you can have completely free access. We have almost 3,000 members. All you have to do, a little bit of lag here. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. Send me an email after you sign up. Will literally take you 30 seconds and get free access for life. As you can see, one of our members, well, every time I screen record, bruh, is posting trade signals all day long. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.